Hi, welcome to Mad Machine. Fasten your seatbelts, brace yourselves, and don't forget to grab some snacks for an even more enjoyable experience while watching this video. In this video, you'll see how massive trees in the forest are taken down. These giant machines are doing the heavy lifting, chopping down trees like it's no big deal. So, stick around till the end of the video to check out these badass tree-cutting beasts in action. Enjoy! The first one, Robode XYLOG 420. The Robode XYLOG 420 is a wood splitter and cutter, perfect for breaking down hardwood trees or chopping wood into smaller pieces. This machine is super handy for use in plantations or small forests. What makes it awesome is its efficient design, making it super easy to process wood fast. Plus, it's capable of handling different wood types and thicknesses. Next, Hachmet Arbro Stroke. The Hachmet Arbro Stroke is a tree-cutting and wood-processing head that can be mounted on a tractor. This machine is built for felling medium-sized trees and processing logs right on the spot, saving both time and effort. Its compact yet powerful design makes it super flexible for all kinds of forestry work. The Arbro Stroke is especially popular among small business owners or landowners who want to process their own wood. Next, Quadco 5660. The Quadco 5660 is a feller buncher head designed for cutting down large trees. It's equipped with a super strong, high-precision cutting blade, making it ideal for logging in dense forest areas. This tool is built for quick and efficient felling and has outstanding durability, making it perfect for long-term projects in areas that require high-capacity cutting power. Next, Niabe 5-15. The Niabe 5-15 is a processor designed for small to medium-scale logging needs. This machine can cut and split tree trunks into smaller pieces right on site, saving time and effort. Its main advantage is its compact, lightweight design, which offers high mobility on challenging terrain. Next, Bandit 3590XL. The Bandit 3590XL is a large, highly efficient chipper designed to turn whole trees into wood chips. It's often used in large-scale logging projects to produce wood chips for the bioenergy industry. With its powerful cutting capacity, it can process large trees in no time. The Bandit 3590XL is known for its stable performance on various terrains and is extremely reliable for projects that demand high efficiency. Next, Ficon FT-X128L. The Ficon FT-X128L is a powerful mulching machine, perfect for shredding trees into chips right on site. It features a strong track system, allowing it to move easily across challenging terrains, like rocky or muddy areas. With its sharp and durable mulcher head, the Ficon FT-X128L is highly efficient for land clearing and incredibly useful for vegetation management projects. Next, Rabode Forest Cut 1600. The Rabode Forest Cut 1600 is a tree-cutting attachment for tractors, highly efficient for selective logging or land clearing. With its high capacity for cutting thick trees, the Forest Cut 1600 enables quick forest clearing. This machine is designed for tasks that require mobility and flexibility in hard-to-reach areas. Next, Braca C16.C. The Braca C16.C is a land-clearing machine that turns trees and vegetation into mulch for land restoration. It's ideal for land clearing or reforestation, especially in areas with ecological damage. Equipped with powerful cutting blades, the Braca C16.C can shred trees and shrubs into mulch, making it valuable for environmental restoration projects. Next, Nisula 555H. The Nisula 555H is a lightweight yet powerful cutting head, perfect for selective logging in dense forest areas. It's versatile and can be mounted on various machines, allowing for precise and efficient felling. The Nisula 555H is a popular choice for operators seeking flexibility in logging without damaging surrounding trees. Next, Farmy 260HFC. The Farmy 260HFC is a reliable chipper designed to process trees and branches into small chips. It's well suited for the bioenergy industry or large-scale wood chip production. With its efficient design, high cutting capacity, and easy maintenance, the Farmy 260HFC is ideal for sustainable logging projects. The massive tree-cutting machines we just saw really show how advanced our technology has become. But does this count as harming nature? On the flip side, let's be real. Without machines like these, there'd be no tables, chairs, or so many other things we use at home. Let's just hope our planet stays safe and sound. So, what do you all think of these machines? Do they really help get the job done? Do they actually make work easier? Drop a comment on which machine you think is the best. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you won't miss any new videos from this channel. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next one.